Now this is a time-lapse video of me drawing my character called Zentio. Now Zentio has a story. He's a dragon prince. Now I know that sounds absolutely crazy. How can he be a dragon prince if he doesn't even look like one? But he has a story. He used to be a dragon, but he was killed by dragon slayers. Now Zentio wasn't even an adult dragon yet when his death came. But he wasn't really gone forever, because Zentio was actually reborn as a human, but he lost his memories. He only remembers his own name being Zentio. Now, the craziest thing is, Zentio does get his memories back through visions, or like he believes is dreams or nightmares. Now these visions actually show images of his past life. And that's how Zentio eventually started learning his mother's name being Zanara again. And how Zanara, being the Dragon Queen, is his mother. Now Zentio is on his path to find Zanara again, to be reunited with her. But the problem is, he doesn't even know where she is. Now Zentio has to go through this adventure to find her again, to be reunited with Zanara as his main key and main purpose, to find out who he really is. Now Zentio is 19 years old in human, and he actually is been training a lot to defend himself. Now he actually goes around village to village, helping people fight against monsters or whatever creatures trying to harm them. With each village he goes, he gets new memories that is stronger and is giving him a chance to find Zanara again. I hope you guys enjoyed my story. Please like the video if you want more in the future. Here's the final result of the drawing.